years, Royal Trucking Company has been using the S drive as our local repository for documents which need to be shared between departments. This shared folder is now being retired from service. We are transitioning to a new service called Sharepoint, which will allow us to share these documents, which are currently only available on site to local personnel, to a folder which will be available to all personnel no matter where they are located, whether they be in the building here at Royal Trucking or off-site at one of our satellite facilities. The easiest way to access SharePoint is to open up your company intranet page. This should be the first web page that pops up in your web browser. You'll see SharePoint in the lower left-hand quadrant of the links on that page, right next to Office 365. You do want to point out that your SharePoint credentials and your Office 365 credentials are exactly the same. The credentials that get you into your email for Office 365 are the same credentials that will get you into SharePoint. In order to access the service, simply click on SharePoint. This should log you directly into our RTC team site. The team site is what we consider our new S drive. As you have permissions, you will see the RTC team site, the employee directory, and any other departmental uh, menu available to you across the very top of the screen. In order to access the files in what is now our new S drive, the team shared documents, we'll actually click on where it says shared documents here, and we'll actually choose whatever folders we have need for. Now, if you do not have permissions to view the driver pay or the DSS report folder, you will not see these folders. All employees will have access to the HR for Royal employees, and some select employees do have access to the Service Center traffic logs. The important thing to note is that if you have permission to view anything in SharePoint, you will not see it showing up in your SharePoint directory. So if for some reason you're looking for something in SharePoint and you do not see it, please put in a ticket with the MIS department and we'll do what we can to see if we can get that added for you. Again, this is simply a transition. At this point in time, we are adding new things to the SharePoint on a regular basis. And as any department sees a need and would like to see anything added to the SharePoint directory, please do put in a ticket with the MIS department and we'll see what we can do to get that added as quickly as possible.